Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Telegram on Windows. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google telegram.org, hit enter. So here you can see Telegram Messenger. So here you can see Telegram for Android, iPhone, iPad, Telegram for PC. Click on that. And here you can see get Telegram for Windows. Click on this version and it will take few times to, so it is, you can see that 39.50 MB. So click on start download and here you can see that it will take few seconds depend on your internet speed, and the setup is now downloading. And after that you are able to install this, so it will take few seconds more, and after that you are able to install this on your PC. So here you can see that, let me open this in downloads. So click on that and click on OK. Click on next. So I want to create a shortcut as well. Click on next again. Click on next. Install, and in the few seconds it will be installed in my PC. And click on and I do not want to launch, so click on finish. So now you can see that it is installed in my PC. So here you can see that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.